While everyone is drawn to learning about the law of attraction for a subtly different reason, a desire to attract more money is probably one of the most common motivations. It is shortly followed by manifesting love, or developing a fantastic new career. However, if your motivations are financial, you might well find yourself asking the following: is it really possible to manifest money? According to the law of attraction, you can attract whatever you consistently and coherently try to manifest. So, in a certain sense, trying to manifest money isn't any different from trying to use the law of attraction in any other way. However, there are plenty of things that might hold you back from successfully manifesting more money into your life. Let's take a look at some of the reasons why it can be difficult for some people to manifest money, and explore some of the most effective techniques. What might stop you from manifesting money? One of the most frequent reasons why people fail when manifesting money relates to the very way that we tend to perceive money. Specifically, it is an enormous source of stress and concern for many of us, and it's really difficult to get rid of that anxiety. However, if you take negative thoughts and feelings with you on your journey with the law of attraction, you just won't be able to get the results you really want. Consequently, the number one lesson you need to learn about manifesting money is that you won't get anywhere if you can't create and maintain a positive, trusting attitude in the power of the law of attraction. 10 Steps to Manifesting Money, a detailed guide. Step 1. Be clear about what you need the money for. Some people want money for the vague idea of money. But you do not just want a pile of paper in your safe, or a bunch of numbers on your online bank statement, do you? You want it so you can do something with it. So what is it? Do you want to buy a new house? Pay off your debt? Send your kids to college? Go on a trip to Hawaii? Write down all the physical things that money would get you. Thinking that having a lot of money would be nice just is not enough. Make a list. Try to include as many things that you can think of. Step 2. Decide on how much money you need. Note, need, not want. Because if you think about what exactly you need this money for, like a new house, or a new car, or a fantastic holiday, etc., you may realize that you don't really need $1 million, you need a very specific sum of money. In the same way, if you are trying to manifest financial freedom, make sure you know what that means to you. How much money is that a month, a year? What will you spend it on? So take some time to think about it, make a spreadsheet if you need to, come up with a specific number and write it down. Step 3. Get rid of the limiting beliefs. Here are some of the ideas that can stop you from manifesting wealth. Money is a limited resource. You have to work, too, hard to get wealthy. It's selfish to want a lot of money. Money is the root of all evil. My family isn't rich, and I probably will never be rich too. The chances of becoming rich are really low. In order to create financial abundance, you need to let go of these disempowering beliefs. 9 to 5 Escape Pod. I have developed several powerful techniques that can be used to do exactly that. For example, the financial faucet that teaches you to love money without thinking it's evil, and the positivity autopilot program which melts away negative programming about money like an ice cube in the sun. You can access these, plus more, in Law of Attraction Origins, your personal source of limitless power. It's packed with simple DIY techniques that deliver measurable results in every aspect of your life. But for those who are struggling while manifesting money, it will be especially useful. It also contains a special report called the 9 to 5 Escape Pod, How to Live on Your Own Terms. It's a self-made millionaire's secret dossier where he downloads all of his step-by-step money-making wisdom into your mind. So, basically, if you want to escape your job and follow your passions to success, you do not want to miss this. Step 4. Act as if you are wealthy. The basic rule of the law of attraction, like attracts like. So how are you going to attract money if you have a mindset of a poor person? Acting wealthy doesn't mean that you have to spend a lot of money that you don't have at this point. It just means that you can allow yourself to window shop for expensive things, plan amazing holidays, treat yourself to small luxury things every once in a while. Step 5. Believe that money is a good thing. Practice affirmations that focus only on the positive feelings you'd enjoy if you had the money you desire. For example, you might try an affirmation version of the old living as if trick. In other words, speak like you already have the money. An example affirmation might be, I can afford everything I want or need in my life without stress or worry. Another might be, everywhere I go, I attract financial prosperity and abundance. Experiment with several different wordings and choose the affirmation that strikes a special chord with you. Repeat it into the mirror every day. Step 6. Make a money dream board. Cut out some images of money. Surround them with other pictures, or words, or drawings that connect you with the things you'll do when you are successfully manifesting money. Keep it in your bedroom or office, and let it fill you with excitement and good feelings each and every time you see it. For people who are more moved by images than words, a dream board can hold more sway than repeating affirmations. Ideally, however, you'll try doing both. What have you got to lose? Step 7. Amp up your visualization process. If you've already learned some of the basics of the law of attraction, you'll know that creative visualization is a real cornerstone of the process of manifestation. However, your visualizations can always be more powerful and influential. When you picture yourself enjoying the financial success that is to come, try adding multiple sensory experiences into the visualization. What can you smell? And what can you hear? What does the money, or the object you've bought with the money, feel like in your hands? Use your whole body to build, and believe in, the visualization. You can also try visualizing from multiple perspectives, seeing yourself from outside your body in some visualizations. This is the visualization technique that works best for athletes who are honing their physical skills. Step 8. Smell money. Although this might sound ridiculous at first, it's a bit like the visualization tip above. It helps you really tune into the reality of money and send out more effective, coherent signals to the universe about what you want. Money has a special smell you just don't find anywhere else, and the trick is to make sure you're thinking positively when you smell it. You might try saying your affirmation when you smell money and get into the mindset of appreciating the money you know is in your future, rather than yearning for the money you think you don't yet have. The ideal money for this exercise is a crisp, new note, but all money carries at least some of that distinctive scent. Step 9. Teach yourself what it means to have money. Brainstorm some reasons why you feel or think positively about money. As we considered above, there are probably many times when you've thought about what it means to lack money, forming beliefs and feelings about how money is easy to lose, hard to find, something other people have, and so on. The positive brainstorming process will help to rewire your thinking. One approach might be to write money in the center of a piece of paper and then write down every positive belief you have around the circle. Always write in terms of what money offers you, not what it could offer you, so you're properly connecting with the reality of manifesting money. So, you might start with, money lets me travel to the place I want to see, then add, money allows me to decorate my home the way I've always wanted to, and, thanks to money, I'm better able to help other people and change lives. Write down as many positive statements as you can, then pin the piece of paper up where you can easily see it every day. Step 10. Be grateful for the money you've had. For example, you might try keeping a gratitude journal and regularly jotting down benefits you've enjoyed because of money you've had. You could write, I'm grateful for the money that allowed me to grow up without worrying about whether food would be on the table, or, I'm always grateful for the money that let me have the amazing experience of blank, and, I feel grateful when I think about the money that has permitted me to sleep safely and comfortably each night. Each person's reasons for gratitude will be different. The key is just to make a clearer connection between your desire to make money and your conception of money as a positive, good, generous force in the world. So, in sum, for most people who want to manifest money, the reason why success doesn't immediately arrive is simple. The concept of money comes with a lot of baggage, and that baggage can block your positive intentions. In contrast, people who believe they can attract money will do so. For example, Bill Gates is on record saying that he never actually doubted he would get rich, and look at him. Please, let me know in the comments below. I would like to really hear your opinion. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to me. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way, we all can help people we care about to live happier life. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this How to Manifest Large Sums of Money video, and I will see you on our next video.